Is it possible to lose money on Acorns? Intro. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot. Is it possible to lose money on Acorns? I know that a lot of people are interested in using Acorns to invest their money, but they're also worried about losing their money. So, in this video, I'm going to answer that question and give you some tips on how to avoid losing money on Acorns. Body. Before we get into the details of how to avoid losing money on Acorns, let's first talk about how Acorns works. Acorns is a robo-advisor that automatically invests your spare change for you. When you make a purchase with a linked card, Acorns rounds up the amount to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. For example, if you spend $12.37, Acorns will round it up to $13 and invest 63 cents. Acorns offers a variety of investment portfolios, each with a different level of risk. The higher the risk, the higher the potential return. Acorns also offers a number of features, such as the ability to set savings goals and get personalized investment advice. Now that we understand how Acorns works, let's talk about the risks of losing money on Acorns. The biggest risk of losing money on Acorns is that the stock market could crash. If the stock market crashes, the value of your investments will go down. However, it's important to remember that the stock market is always going up and down. Over the long term, the stock market has historically returned an average of 7% per year. Another risk of losing money on Acorns is that you could invest in a bad stock. Acorns uses an algorithm to select stocks for your portfolio, but there's always the possibility that the algorithm will make a mistake. Finally, there's the risk that Acorns could go out of business. If Acorns goes out of business, you could lose your money. However, it's important to note that Acorns is a well-established company with a good track record. So, is it possible to lose money on Acorns? Yes, it is possible. However, the risks are relatively low, and the potential rewards are high. Now that we've talked about the risks of losing money on Acorns, let's talk about some tips on how to avoid losing money. Here are a few tips. Choose a portfolio that is appropriate for your risk tolerance. If you're risk-averse, you should choose a portfolio with a lower risk tolerance. If you're willing to take on more risk, you can choose a portfolio with a higher risk tolerance. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all of your eggs in one basket. Invest in a variety of stocks, bonds, and other assets. Rebalance your portfolio regularly. As your investments grow, your portfolio will become unbalanced. It's important to rebalance your portfolio regularly to ensure that it still meets your risk tolerance. Monitor your investments. Keep an eye on your investments and make sure that they are performing as you expected. If you see that your investments are not performing well, you may need to make some changes. Don't panic. If the stock market crashes, don't panic and sell your investments. The stock market will eventually recover. By following these tips, you can help to reduce your risk of losing money on Acorns. Conclusion. In conclusion, it is possible to lose money on Acorns, but the risks are relatively low. By following the tips that I've outlined in this video, you can help to reduce your risk of losing money and achieve your financial goals. Thanks for watching.